Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions, and you are all set. Now, once you are here, deleting a payment in QuickBooks Online should be done cautiously. But if a payment is mistakenly entered twice, resulting in duplicate entries in QuickBooks Online, obviously deleting one of the duplicates can help maintain accurate financial records and prevent any discrepancies in your account balances. Now, say for example, if a payment is recorded with incorrect details, which happened to me in the past, such as the wrong amount, date, or customer, deleting the payment allows you to correct the mistake and ensure the accuracy of your financial data. Now, if a payment is voided after being initially recorded, deleting the original payment entry reflects the cancellation or voiding of the payment and prevents double counting of funds. Now, payments associated with canceled orders or refunded transactions may need to be deleted from QuickBooks Online to accurately reflect the cancellation or refund process and prevent misrepresentation of financial data. Now, for us to be able to delete the payment here on QuickBooks, you have so many options. You can go to the bank transactions, and from here, if you have any bank transactions, you might want to click on delete. It's a very straightforward process, but I prefer the sales because from here I can choose the invoice or the transaction that happens. Say for example, if a payment contains a sensitive or personal information that should not be included in your QuickBooks record, such as credit card numbers or confidential client details, deleting the payment helps protect privacy and confidentiality. Now, it's a straightforward process. All you have to do is click on the option here. And as you can see, you need to click on delete. But again, before you delete the payment, make sure that you have appropriate backup procedures in place before deleting any of it. Always double check the payment details and consider the potential impact on your financial records before proceeding with a deletion. And once you're decided, all you're gonna do is click on delete, and voila, that's it. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.